Welcome to the vibrant world of MRF Paints. MC Plus, a multi-purpose premium PU top coat from MRF Paints, is the range of tintable bases of metal coat for wood, metal and plastic, which assures great aesthetics. MC Plus is a cutting-edge PU product featuring an advanced anti-aging formula and salt spray resistance. It offers superior durability and protection, resisting moisture, stains, corrosion and scratches. Available in matte, glossy and metallic bases with the possibility of tinting up to 3000 plus mesmerizing shades. Its robust formulation ensures enhanced longevity while adding a touch of sophistication to surfaces. Combining performance, style and versatility, MC Plus delivers exceptional results every time. Begin by dry brushing and dusting the surface. Please make sure to choose a dust-free, moisture-free surrounding, preferably a closed area to avoid contaminants for painting. And yes, avoid painting in direct sunlight and high humid environment to achieve the best results. Now initiate the process of sanding the surface with number 220 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing. Apply the first coat of metal coat Universal Primer Grey. Follow the recommended mixing ratio of 10:1 for base and hardener by volume. The recommended thinner is thinner for finish, and use a thinner with an intake volume of 30% to 35% for optimal application. Stir thoroughly to ensure a consistent and proper mixture. Apply the first coat of metal coat Universal Primer Grey. And allow it to dry for 12 hours. Now initiate the process of sanding the surface with number 220 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing. Apply the second coat of metal coat Universal Primer Grey. And wait for 12 hours. It's now time for a higher level of sanding. It's the perfect time to commence the process of sanding the surface with number 400 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing. Apply the first coat of MC Plus tinted top coat. Adhere to the following mixing ratios by volume for the best results. For MC Plus glossy base 1, 2 and 3, the mixing ratio is 4:1. For MC Plus 4, 5 and 9, the mixing ratio is 6:1. For MC Plus metallic bases 6, 7 and 8, the mixing ratio is 4:1. The recommended thinner is thinner for finish, following these intake volumes by variant. MC Plus glossy base 1, 25% to 35%. MC Plus glossy base 2, 20% to 30%. MC Plus glossy base 3, 15% to 25%. MC Plus matte base 4, 20% to 25%. MC Plus matte base 5, 20% to 35%. MC Plus matte base 9, 20% to 25%. MC Plus metallic base 6, 7 and 8, 20% to 25%. Carefully follow these guidelines to achieve a flawless finish. Stir thoroughly to ensure a consistent and proper mixture. Stir thoroughly to ensure a consistent and proper mixture. Apply the first coat of MC Plus tinted top coat. and allow it to dry for 12 hours. Commence the process of sanding the surface with number 600 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing. Apply the second coat of MC Plus tinted top coat. And allow it to dry for 12 hours to ensure a flawless and durable finish. Following due processes diligently assures superior outcomes and wonderful outputs. Always remember MRF Paints, which is synonymous with class, style and sophistication.